Hey everyone, and welcome to my project pitch for the Gemma for Good Hackathon by Google DeepMind. A bit of context. I've been going deep into applied AI ML research lately, and one thing that genuinely struck me is how many major breakthroughs only happened because someone found an idea in a completely different field and brought it across. For example, Transformers architecture scaled actually because of GPUs built for gaming. World models borrowed a core concept from the neuroscience that had been sitting there for decades. The problem is you can't actually find those connections through keyword search. For example, an ML researcher and a physicist might be studying the exact same phenomenon, just named differently. And their papers probably will never appear in the same results. You see, that vocabulary gap is what Arxanon closes. And guys, no, it's not a new Lord of Rings character. Yeah, though it would fit right in. Anyway, let me show you. Arxanon is a CLI tool, by the way, already on PyP. One command to install, one to run in any directory. I'm connecting Gemma 4 at 31 billion parameters via OpenRouter. Though Olama works locally too, of course, depends on your device capabilities. I type my research problem in plain language. And here is what happens. Gemma 4 translates, not rephrases. It identifies which scientific field most naturally studies this phenomenon and generates search queries in that field's native vocabulary. You see two columns, ML queries on the left and on the right the language of statistical mechanics and chaos theory. That's the translation step. Then Arxanon searches arXiv across both channels, maps citations via Semantic Scholar, and finds paper pairs that are close semantically, but had never cited each other. As the result, 8 outside ML frameworks surface in this run, 11 cross-domain connections total. The strongest, condensed matter physics, formally described this exact phenomenon decades ago. Critical slowing down near bifurcation point. Same mathematical structure, but as you see, never connected to ML training dynamics before. From that, Arxanon produces the folder with 3 outputs. A full analysis report where every claim is stacked, grounded, inferred, or speculative. So you always know what's solid. An interactive knowledge graph where you can explore every connection and open any paper directly. And a ranked references file with everything found outside machine learning. Plus, a concrete runnable experiment derived directly from the strongest finding. Something the ML literature hasn't tested yet. For an ML researcher, this means the next core thing. You stop missing theory that already exists, just named differently. Thank you for the hackathon and for the opportunity to build something that I hope genuinely moves AI ML research forward. See you.